Good morning, you guys. I am so excited. We are in Chicago. I've never been here, so I thought I'd pull out the camera and do a what I eat in a day video. It is 10:15 a.m. right now. This is my first meal. Usually I eat sooner, but I slept in a little bit today because I don't have my kids with me. This is a vegan mango kale smoothie, and let me see the ingredients. I know you guys always want to know what is in what I eat, and I eat all raw, living foods. Even when I travel, they make me feel my best. They make me feel high vibe, alert, amazing. So it's easy to do raw, even on the road. There's no excuses. Prioritize yourself and the universe will prioritize you as well. So this one is sunwarrior plant-based protein, which I love. I'll link it below. And mangoes, kale, bananas, apple, pineapple juice blends, apple juice, and some almonds. It's really good. I get this when I go to Florida on Uber Eats too. This is from Smoothie King, I think, obviously not sponsored. But yeah, look at Chicago. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I can't wait to take you guys through my day with what I eat. I got a great haul at Trader Joe's last night to make some yummy stuff today. And we're gonna go out to eat as well. So I'm about ready to have something else. So I just turned on the camera. It is noon right now and I'm filming videos. I actually just did a unboxing video and a review of my new NAMA. You guys, I got the black NAMA. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? It's freaking so nice. Watch. Let me let out some juice. Can anybody guess what recipe this is? Take a look. What do you think? It actually looks like a Caesar. Looks like a Caesar drink. But no, I gave up Caesars a long time ago and I feel so much better without alcohol. So if you're looking to give up bad habits and take on better habits, this is a great machine for you to do that. It really helps me stay on track. I am gonna enjoy this juice. So I had that smoothie. It actually really filled me up. I went and did some filming on the penthouse here in Chicago. And I'm gonna drink this watermelon and mint juice. It's my favorite combo for a fruit juice that there is. So delightful, delicious, just light, easy on the body, gives you energy and nutrients. And cheers, guys. Last we talked at 12 o'clock and I'm having one more juice. I just did another juice for a YouTube video and it was just showing people, like I said before, about the NAMA, but I made my favorite green juice recipe. So I'm gonna enjoy this. This is what I've been drinking every day. I think just the best thing I always say is to add in one green juice a day if you're gonna do anything. It'll change your life. This recipe is so good. It is celery, cucumber, zucchini, lemon, parsley, and apples. Many people don't realize you can juice zucchini, you can. And look, this juicer, juice is so nice, but I'm gonna enjoy this. This makes me feel better than anything, you guys. This is what I need right now. So I'm gonna drink this and then we will turn on the camera next when I have a snack or something else. So we are just out walking around exploring beautiful Chicago. Look at this, look at the water here, look at the city. It is absolutely freaking stunning. And I'm getting hungry, so I'm always prepared on the raw living foods lifestyle, and I eat these foods because they make me feel my absolute best. The snack that I brought today are these beautiful green figs, and they look like they are freaking fully ripe and amazing. If you guys haven't had figs, I can't recommend them enough. And the green figs are my favorite. I got these from Trader Joe's last night, and they just look incredible. And we are enjoying life. I love traveling, and I love traveling with the channel. It's so much fun, and I love the raw living foods. So good. It is 3:41 and I'm just having another snack. The figs were delicious. We went for a walk. I got this cute Chicago Bulls t-shirt. I feel like this should be what Jill wears in a day because I think I've worn 10 outfits already. So I'm eating about 5 of these little gala apples, these organic gala apples from Trader Joe's, and they are so delicious. Then I'm just gonna film a quick YouTube video, I think with the juicer. I'm gonna do a big batch juicing video with the NAMA. Then we are gonna head to Chicago Raw. So they have the best food. I cannot wait to show you the feast. The owner knows we're coming and they have like, I just can't wait. So stay tuned for the dinner and we're just gonna indulge and then I'll probably go to the gym. So see you guys then. Now it is about 5 o'clock and I just made some juices. I'm juicing a lot today, you guys. It makes me feel my best to do mostly juices and fruits and smoothies through the day. And then a big feast at the end of the day. That's what my preferred way of eating is lately. So I'm gonna just drink this. This is the same recipe as the juice I showed you guys earlier. And then we are gonna go to Chicago Raw. I'm so excited. They apparently have a new location at some market here, some big marketplace, I don't know, but we're gonna see. It sounds like really amazing. And the menu just looks incredible. So stick around until the end. You're gonna see the big dinner feast. So I'll drink this and then we'll head there. We're at the Time Out Market in Chicago. This place is freaking amazing. I love it. So we're lucky Chicago Raw is here. The girl is so nice and the food looks amazing. So she's making me some maca smoothie with blueberries and all these things right now. I'm so excited to try. And I'm gonna order a big feast. So I'm gonna go order some stuff and we'll bring it back and show you guys everything. Here at Chicago Raw, we just got the food. She is amazing. This is some of literally the best looking raw food I think I've ever seen in my life. So what's your name again?
My name's Bella.
Bella. Oh,
Yeah,
such a nice name. She's
thank
going to
you.
tell us what this is. Look at this, you guys.
So this is our kale salad. This is our collard burrito. It has pumpkin seeds, avocados, tomatoes. This is a cassava crust pizza with cashew cheese. Our Ride the Wave made from kelp noodles. And then our sweet desserts. We got the donuts that are made from almonds, cacao, dates, tiramisu, lemon bar, and then dragon fruit cheesecake. And then the cheesecakes have almond and cashew to make it creamy.
Wow, this looks so amazing, and I can feel like it's made with love. It looks so good. I'm so excited to try it. Yay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks. And you have a smoothie coming too, right?
Yes, the smoothie will be right up.
Okay, cool. Thanks. So lately, I start all my meals usually with the Digestive Enzymes by Lou Corona because he's 72, he looks 22, and he's got energy like I've never seen. So why not go to the next level? They make me feel really good. So I'm gonna take 4 of these before my meal. You guys, I had this pad thai last night. It's made with kelp noodles. It is absolutely delicious. I highly recommend this place if you guys are ever in Chicago. I'm gonna try some of this pizza, you guys. Let's see. I don't know. Oh wow, it's good. It tastes like pizza. Try it. Wow, that's really good. The pad thai, which I tried last night, it's delicious. It's so satisfying, you guys, this food. I get so much more excited for this type of food than I did like cooked food. And those types of foods, they make you feel so tired. I have so much energy all the time because I eat this way. Well, we're gonna feast, we're gonna enjoy this food. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This is definitely gonna be the last thing I eat today. So I'm gonna indulge, eat a lot.
I saw you on YouTube. All right.
That's great, that's awesome.
That's how you
Yeah.
YouTube. So guess what? Here at 𝑼𝑺𝑬, we got something very nice. Here at Raw, ma'am, none but vegan, ma'am.
And what's your place called?
𝑼𝑺𝑬, ma'am.
𝑖VETS. Okay,
I'm the
I'll
sous
tell
chef
them.
there.
Yeah, that's
My name is
awesome.
right now.
Awesome, nice to meet you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I'll give you something so you can try on, and
Okay.
people will actually will definitely love this.
Yeah, okay. Well, that guy was really nice. He's from a vegan place called 𝑖VETS. I think it's vegan. He said they have vegan, so apparently they're good. He's gonna bring us some samples, which is so nice. You guys just go out with the camera, you guys, and people will just start bringing you food. They'll be like, oh, they're on YouTube. Let's get our place. Wait, no, that guy's genuine and super nice. But this is great. I'm gonna indulge. I'm gonna have the smoothie. I'm not gonna have any of the desserts though. I'm gonna see if my amazing cameraman Kevin and my beautiful friend Ashley, if they want them. But tonight I'm not having desserts because I'm interviewing 𝐾𝙊𝒿 tomorrow. She is 75, she's vegan, and she's in Chicago. That's why I came here. She looks amazing, and she's so awesome.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
This is vegan.
this is cooked vegan, you guys. This is amazing. This is from, I'm not gonna eat this, but everybody else with me is, and this is from 𝑼𝑺𝑬. And what is this?
Manager, this is 𝑼𝑺𝑬. Manager, we call it the halloumi shawarma fries. Manager, halloumi shawarma fries. They're strictly vegan for everything else. Manager, this come in a wrap as well. If you need to, make sure it have the taste. The taste is delicious. The sauce is most definitely delicious. Please try this right now, ma'am.
It looks so good.
Do you not taste you think you eating meat, but you're not eating meat. That is the purpose. That's the.
It's really good.
That is
Ashley
the point.
says it's amazing. She said the sauce is fire.
That is the point of this. To give our customers, hey, you don't eat meat, it's okay. Eat this. You will still taste the seasoning of meat. You will still taste the crunch of meat. You will still taste the chocolate with the meat. And guess what? We do it quite well. Imagine, we top 50 American everybody else. And if you anytime you see 𝑼𝑺𝑬, and guess what? You don't eat meat, you all right with us. We got
That's
something
awesome.
healthy right here.
Thanks so much.
Healthy.
So I just want to be like, the desserts will weigh me down a bit. So I'm not gonna have any tonight, but maybe tomorrow night. So this will be it for the day. So this concludes the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos just like this one, then comment down below. Love you guys. Bye.